think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot.
Geniuses like Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk have warned us about the danger of artificial intelligence. But why do they think that the future variants of Google Assistant or Alexa can be a threat to the mankind? Well, it turns out that they are right, and here's how. Artificial intelligence, or simply AI, is generally classified into two groups: hard-coded AI and machine learning. Hard-coded AIs are very systematic and deterministic. They are very similar to other softwares that only works on some set of rules. Games like Will You Snail and Event Zero have Squid and Kaizen respectively, which falls under this category. But these scientific geniuses are not worried about these hard-coded AIs. Instead, they are concerned about machine learning, which is divided into 4 types based on capabilities. The first one being the weak AI or the narrow AI. It is able to perform a dedicated task with intelligence, and it's only the technological intelligence humans have achieved yet. These intelligent systems are capable of exceeding human knowledge in certain fields. For instance, Go. It is arguably the most complex board game in existence. Its goal is simple: surround more territory than your opponent. This game is played by humans for the past 2500 years, but humans are not the only one playing this game now. In 2016, Google DeepMind's AlphaGo beat 18-time world champion Lee Sedol in 4 out of 5 games, which is pretty impressive. And now consider this: AlphaGo was trained from real human data of Go games. In fact, just a year after AlphaGo's victory, an interesting thing happened. AlphaGo Zero, a much more improved version of AlphaGo, beat the original AI. It learned to play Go with zero human interaction, and now it is considered the best Go player in the world. Although it is not human, this means now no human can be the best Go player no matter how hard they try. Similarly, in 1997, IBM's Deep Blue beat Garry Kasparov in chess. So imagine if just the first type of artificial intelligence, the weak AI, is capable of surpassing human intelligence at a dedicated task, then how advanced and powerful the upcoming types would be. The general AI can perform any intellectual task with efficiency like a human. The idea behind this is to make such a system which could be smarter and think like a human on its own. As of now, this system doesn't exist, but according to scientists and researchers, we could achieve general intelligence within this century. At least for now. It's just a theory, but imagine this becoming real. What would happen if machines became capable of doing possibly any task humans can do? Then what purpose or function would be left for us to serve? The framework of AI basically works by a mathematical model of a neuron or a human brain. You feed it a bunch of data and it learns upon that information. Detroit Become Human is a futuristic game about what could possibly go wrong, or just show that what could happen when humanity hits this technological advancement. YouTube's recommendation algorithm, Google's search algorithm, Facebook, Amazon uses artificial intelligence to predict what should you watch next or what should you buy next, which in fact falls under the narrow AI. But when humanity will achieve the technological singularity, also known as the super AI, will it be the best or the last invention of humans? We don't know yet. That's what time will tell. But right now, what we know is that this super intelligent AI system will be far more intelligent and powerful than humans. Movies like Terminator resembles it pretty nicely. There's really no reason why this system could not be scaled up to human level or beyond. These AI systems could operate with the speed of light as well as improve upon itself. And that is what so many people are concerned about. It's simply a fear of losing control over something we created. But let's assume if we were somehow able to give the super AI some orders and it follows those orders, it may just take the quickest and the easiest route to solve the problem. For example, if we ask the AI to make us laugh and remove all the sadness from our lives, the AI may just paralyze our face in a laughing state, and it may also block all the hormones responsible for sadness and fear. So just because we make a super intelligent AI doesn't mean it will be wise. You know, there's a difference between intelligence and wisdom. Intelligence basically is acquiring more knowledge, whereas wisdom means to apply the correct knowledge in the most efficient way. And the previous example is just trying to explain this. The AI would be far more intelligent than humans, but it would lack the wisdom. For it, the easiest way to solve world hunger would be just to kill all living beings on the planet so that there would be no one left hungry. We need to teach the AI some human values, and human consciousness works this way, which sounds impossible. I mean, how can we give a machine the sensation of feeling happy or sad? And the only answer to all these questions are time. Only time will tell us what's coming next. So now one question that arises is, when will it happen? And you know what? It may be sooner than you think. As I said before, most scientists and researchers believe that it will happen within this century, somewhere in between 3 to 6 decades. So we are actually very close to achieve the general AI or even the singularity AI.